quick update on Remy's progress. You can see I'm actually taking him out for a little walk. He's still curling his left foot the wrong way a little bit, but he's so excited to go out. And I think, yeah, his left side is just not, obviously not there yet, but I worry a little bit about him scraping his paw. Pick up your foot. Come on, pick up your foot. There you go. I don't mind the hopping. But he's getting better. We're doing rehab exercises with him every day. And he actually goes out and pees. He literally has not filled up a diaper all day. We've been letting him out like every 2 hours. So you can just see how excited he is. He's peeing right now. So he's getting better, but God, it makes me sick to my stomach. He's just not 100%. I think Stella peed here earlier today, so he's sniffing around and he's So for those of you who don't know, Remy, while we were in Australia, he was chasing a ball and he had a collision with Stella and it injured his spine. And he literally could not walk for about 2 weeks on his hind legs. The left-hand side, just to the left of his spine, swole up. And he's been wearing diapers, so because he couldn't control his bowels. Remy, this way. Come on, this way. You're not ready to go out there yet. Come on. I know you want to go. But you can see his right leg is pretty good, actually, but his left leg is still not there yet. We're hoping before we go back to the U.S. next month that he's going to be doing okay, but he's the fact he's out here walking is amazing, because trust me when I say that 2 weeks ago he couldn't even do that. We had a vet follow-up visit last week and the vet was very happy with the progress he's making. She thinks he's going to make a full recovery. Like I said, he's been wearing diapers and every day he uses them, but today we just let him outside every 2 hours, and he would pee when he's outside. So come on, let's go this way. Come on. And he's getting a little stronger every single day, which is good. You know, I mean, he really wanted to go out for this walk. I think he's peeing right now. He can't lift his leg, so you can see his left leg is kind of tweaked, but I'm hoping as the swelling goes down, he's going to get better. Okay, Remy, we're going to go this way. Come on. I know you want to go outside. I know you want to go outside the wall, but we can't do that tonight. So come on. But the fact that he's doing this is huge. We'll keep posting updates on Remy. I hope you guys keep him in your prayers. He's already so much better than he was, so he's doing good. He's a good little boy, and he's really a champion. So until the next time, we'll see you. We'll give you another update here, like in another week, and tell you how Remy's doing.